Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mike, and welcome to the channel, man. We got a few things on the agenda today, man, so let's get right into it. Go ahead and link up with a few of the homies and go to the car wash, man, talk some shit, see what kind of whips niggas has got now. You know what I'm saying? We've been on this quarantine, niggas have made a couple different moves, so we're gonna go ahead and link up with a few of the homies, man, and see what they up to. And then by the title of this video, I'm mooring y'all down on a few of my broken goals, man, that I got going on right now in my yard. So stay tuned. So like I told y'all before, man, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all a few of my broken goals, man, that I got sitting here at the crib right now, man. Actually, I have 3 different vehicles that I do want to feature on this channel. I got Lucy Lou over here, my plain Jane, one of my original old hoes. It's an 03 Lincoln LS with a shit ton of problems on it. I honestly just don't want to give her away, man, just cause I don't want to give her away. I ain't really got no rhyme or reason to it, man. She always was good to me, man, but I just kind of really neglected her. Yeah, I need to do quite a few things, man. We're gonna get new tires, new brakes, new rotors. As you can see, man, that shit is just shit. Lucy been probably sitting here for a year and some change, maybe longer than that. Like I said, we're gonna get some new tires. Other things that was wrong with her was she needed a new starter, put a new battery in her, man. But she always did good for a while, and then would, you know, just give me 1 or 2 problems, man. And like I said, she wasn't a car that I always drove all the time, but I just loved to have her. So one thing I'm gonna do is do majority of the maintenance on this car myself. That's one of the broken goals for this particular car right here. You know, like I said, just normal stuff, oil changes, replacing brakes and rotors, new tires, stuff like that, man. I'm not gonna try to get really in depth with Lucy Lou. Yeah, man, it's time to give her a little facelift, man. Like I said, she just been sitting here in the sun baking, man, in this South Georgia weather. So another car I want to introduce to y'all, man, to the channel is Harley Quinn, man. Now, Harley Quinn is an 86 box Chevy. Got a lot of things going on with her, a lot of things, but right now, currently, she ain't running. Probably gonna do a whole nother video with an overview of what all I have on Harley's particular car. I ain't about to be doing no crazy miles on this shit. I'm gonna leave all of that shit to the professionals. I don't know how to do all that shit. So basically, you know what I'm saying, y'all will see the journey, getting her back running. She does run, I just need to get a battery on her and shit, but like I said, I'll probably do a whole nother overview with all the bells and whistles and everything that I got done to her. So you'll see that, as well as I do have another whip. It's currently not right here, but it is at the shop right now, getting some work done to it. But as y'all can see, let me know what y'all think I got, man. Just let me know what y'all think I got. I got some shit sitting in the back. Just let me know what kind of vehicle y'all think these things is going on. Comment below what size wheel you think that is, what size rim that is, and what size tires these are. Oh, they chunky. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Is that the illest nigga in Nebraska? Woo! Woo! My niggas out here getting money. Shit.
We call this shit multi-country. We got something for the import. We got something for the export. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, is this the illest nigga in Nebraska?
You know what I'm saying? The little street, the muscle cars, you know what I'm saying?
You already know.
I ain't pulled the cut dog out this morning. That bitch need to rest a little bit. Man.
Hey, look, but my man's, hey, look. y'all see this guy. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put this. Yeah. Car wash fit. We about, like I said, we about to go hit the car wash, but y'all will probably see his car on the channel. This my nigga Q. I'll put his info down there. You know what I'm saying? But hey, man, my nigga just picked up that dick, though. Ooh, what's up? What's up? We need to go get these bitches washed, though.
Sport move. Like the paddle shit, like with the gear shit.
Yeah.
That bitch hit 110 so motherfucking fast. I was like, oh shit. Okay.
Shit. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Today we got a few things on the agenda. We're gonna go ahead and get my wife's truck washed up, man. This shit is filthy. I've been hella lazy during this quarantine. I ain't been doing shit but playing video games and eating. But hey, today's a new day, man, so I said I'm gonna get off my ass and go wash a couple of these, well, wash this whip. Some fucking trash, man. This shit is busting. What's up? I think I really only needed some fucking tire shine and shit. Probably could get some smell goods though. You feel me? No, man. I'll forget it. This is not cool for vlogging, bro. Like, I want to hold this shit unless I got a fucking body cam on and shit. Like, I guess that's cool. We're gonna go in.
That's what she said. Michael.
Let's get it.
You